after you have 12 years of experience and you change to accounting, and during that changing period, how did you adapt to all the new things you need to learn, to a new environment, to really new career?
Yes, I changed from industry to public accounting. So after I passed the CPA exam, I was a little bit further down in my career, and so I decided at that time that I better start my own practice. And I had very fortunate because I had fantastic mentors. I had Cal CPA people around me who were helping me and guiding me. So you cannot do it by yourself. That's one important thing in accounting. And also in accounting, you never know enough. So you have to be okay to say that I don't know everything, because it's just physically not possible. Whether it's tax or anything else, or the gap, or anything area within accounting, there's just so much to know. Nobody could know everything. And so it was very hard because I started the practice from nothing. So after finishing industry, decided, okay, I want to be transitioning into public accounting, and I started that as a solo practitioner. But I could do that because I had fantastic mentors and people looking out for me to make sure that I will not make major mistakes that would result losing a license, right? So it was fortunate. None of the firms that I was looking at would have been the right fit for me at that time because I was just too much older than the average early stage staff. And so that was just a life reason why I didn't join another firm or be an employee of another firm. Guess what? As a result, today is where we are. But running a practice is not easy. Whether you are a sole practitioner or you are managing a team of 10 to 100 people, doesn't matter how big the firm that you will be managing, none of them are easy because things constantly change. And that's one of our hardest lessons that we accountants have to learn, is that we believe we don't have to talk to people, right? That's the idea of people about accountants or tax accountant, or nothing changes on a regular basis. That's nothing furthest from the truth. Life changes a lot. Accounting changes a lot. Whether it's financial statement reporting or whether tax, look at what happened the last 2 years. How many new major tax legislations we passed over the years and are in the pipeline right now. Those are all significant changes. So we'll just have to break that stigma that nothing is changing in accounting and in tax.
Yeah, that's interesting to me because people, when they see my personality, they always say like, why you are accountant? Accountant normally seem to be like introvert, seem to be quiet, seem to be shy, and you're not that at all. And I don't see that in you at all. You're not I don't see you introvert, I don't see you shy, I don't see you like a typical accountant at all.
The problem we face is that if you look at movies, right, we learn from movies in the world. So we have the old 80s and 90s movies where accountants with the green visor, with those bands sitting behind a pile of books, right? That's the idea that people have. At some point, that was very true because accounting and computer systems were not ready to help accountants. And that was life. Or we see other movies like Ben Affleck and The Accountant where it's a little bit different, right? The type of accounting. But people don't have the right perception. So unless a person talks to an accountant, and whether it's you, Rosie, or me, or other business CPAs out there who are working for a firm, they can tell you that, no, I interact with clients, I interact with managing partners or regular partners, I'm interacting with our other team members and stuff. So we are constantly and continuously talking to people. So we can never be introverts. That does not exist in our profession because people come and ask you all the time questions. It's not just filling out a paper, but able to explain what's happening and what are those papers are for.